And ito naman yung essential parts ng Kratky. Of course, meron kang source of light. So, pwede kang sunlight, pwede ding ilaw or mga artificial light. And next is, of course, yung planting pot mo. Planting pot. Don't worry, mamaya makikita nyo yung mga options na pwede nyo gamitin sa planting cups. Kung ano yung pwede nyo pampalit no, sa mga bagay-bagay. Meron ding growing media. And of course, yung container mo, yung reservoir. And yung water and nutrient solution. So, yung tubig na may timplang abono. So yun, ang light of course provide energy for photosynthesis, very important. Kasi yan yung parang energy ng plants na ginagamit para makapagbuo siya ng pagkain niya, makapag-manufacture. Growing media is support the plant physically and holds it in place. So yun, dyan kumakapit yung halaman. And habang maliit pa siya, dyan din siya kumukuha ng oxygen, kumukuha ng nutrients, kumukuha ng tubig. Next is water and nutrient solution. So ito yung nagko-contain ng mga nutrients na kailangan ng plants para tumubo. Okay? And of course, the reservoir, ito yung mahawak ng ating nutrient solution and as well as yung ating planting cups. Yan po. Yun po ang parts ng Kratky at yung mga functions nila. So yan. Pwede nyo po i-screenshots ito.